The recession fears are here, as well as the COVID fears are here, and the market is falling according to the US markets and SGX Nifty, that is the Singapore Nifty. So you have to brace for impact. It's quite sure that the markets will follow the US markets, that's the global markets, for some time, until unless we actually find a common ground that the COVID fears have actually come down, or it is quite possible that the recession fears are down as of now. This is Ashok from your Exotic Investment YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video so that it will reach more people. As well, let's say if the Nifty pre-open has to open in green, then the Singapore Nifty has to be positive. As of now, Singapore Nifty seems to be quite okay, that is 45 points up as of now. However, it's not enough for the markets to be propelled to the higher levels or the highest levels as well. So let's see where the market actually stands to go upwards or downwards with supports. First of all, supports for Nifty. So first of all, this is the Nifty pre-open for 5th January 2023, and we are looking at the support at 18,068 levels. Though we have actually breached the level of 18,068, we will probably hold up to the level of support because the support is a zone. So the support can be drawn from here to the lower level over here. So the support will be a zone, it will hold up, and support and resistance both are zones. So if it even breaches that particular exact level, it may not go upward from that particular exact support level. It is quite possible that it may go upwards from here onwards because support is a zone. And as of now, it seems like the markets will go upwards in today's session because S&P 500 was up 28 points, that is 0.75%, and Nasdaq was up by 52 points, and Dow Jones was up by 133 points, and Nikkei, the Japanese index, is showing 226 points higher at 0.8%. So everything seems to be quite okay as of today. SGX Nifty is also about 50 points up in the pre-open, and seems like Nifty also has found the common ground at support. Yes, there is a bit of roller coaster. Day before yesterday I had told you there is a bit of roller coaster ride in Nifty. It goes up and the bears actually brings the market so down that it will have to go up 2 or 3 sessions in order to reach that particular level. Yesterday also we had a carnage because of IMF mentioning that the recession in 2023 will be fiercer than what we had in 2008. So the carnage is probably happening. However, today we seem to be having a support at 18,068 levels to around 18,000 levels. So we will probably go up. This is called as a dead cat bounce. After a huge negative, there may be a dead cat bounce where the market will swing upwards to the north. So that being said, let's look at the supports: 18,068 levels and 18,000 levels and 17,800 levels, that's the 17,816 levels are the support. And where are the resistances? The resistances at 18,159 again, because we had about 189 points down in yesterday's session. So 18,159, 18,200, 18,270 levels are the resistances as of now. And if we go upwards, 18,300, 18,411 levels are the resistances as of now. If you are looking to see if there is goodness in the market, we have drawn the Fibonacci retracement from here, from the lowest to the highest, and we see that the market seems to be holding up the 61.8% level in the Fibonacci retracement. Yes, of course, the Bollinger Bands have actually contracted which means that the market is going in a sideways zone or probably trying to reverse from here. It has touched the peak of Bollinger Band and coming down, which seems to be a bit of negativity as of now. Once we have reached the lowest level, we should have gone the way upwards. Since that's not happening, we probably are in a sideways zone and we may cope up later as of now because of the news. And Bollinger Bands seem to be contracting, which means that we are in a sideways zone and the support is holding up. So we are in a range, we are in a tight range. So that's what is happening over here. And we have one more great resistance of Bollinger Band, which is the median range, which is at 18,387 levels, which is of course almost near to 18,400 levels. So yes, those are the supports and resistances for Nifty. Nifty pre-open for 5th Jan 2023 seems to be a bit positive, and we may see that the market opening in the northern territory. In the pre-open, there may be a gap up opening for Nifty as of now, and I will see you in this video where you will see how easy it is to understand options in an animated way. I'll see you in that video. Let us see you there in that video.